Say hello.
Hi. Hello.
Okay. Hello, folks. So today we are at Stellenbosch, and this is Coetzenburg. The trail starts at the university's sports center. Down there, you can see the rugby stadium, rugby ground. Then there's like a stadium thingy going on, and you walk a little right up, then you're gonna see a sign that says Stellenbosch Trails. The mountain that we hike is called Coetzenburg. I think that's how you pronounce it. But it's just a bit slow, so it is always better to walk as slowly as you can. But the trail is supposed to be at least 8 kilometers. We are getting a bit lost now, but it looks like the blind is learning the blind, but we will be fine. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Alright, let's go.
Why are you doing it? Just
Okay, say 3, 2, 1. Okay. Zoom.
Okay, 3.
Zoom.
Alright. We are just chilling here, trying to see which route to take. We don't really know which route to go to. It is a hot day here at Coetzenburg, Stellenbosch thingy. I don't even know what that is. This is the views outside. That's the group that I'm going with. I'm just taking my video a bit far away because I feel very funny when I speak, and there are people also. So we are in the bushes now.
There's fire out.
We are in the bushes now. The route looks a bit funny though, because one has to be as careful as they can. And I'm tired. There is also a beautiful fine bus going on around here. Cosmos, we've seen some proteas and what stuff going on. It looks like every mountain here in Cape Town has proteas, but that's about that. It is starting to get a bit windy now. Ooh, I'm stressed, I'm tired. Okay, that dam is actually big, eh? Yeah. From the point where
small.
it
Look at it.
yeah, it looks small, but
It is.
from this point it is like taking a bit air. I'm tired. Hey, that's not good. Does it get more rocky? Hey, this is not good.
I don't like the rocky trail.
Yeah, because it's easy to hit your ankle. We are done with the hike now. Oh, who's sending me messages? We are done with the hike now. We just chilling outside here. I think you can swim in the dam, but it's not really advisable or things like that. But okay. And right now we are going to drink alcohol. This guy is hey, I'm being serious here. I'm at work. Oh, I'm at work. And there are a lot of what do you call this place? Some graves on this trail. There's a lot of graves on this trail, and that was a bit oopsie, because we were not expecting to see that. But now it is just a bit windy, and we're walking down, and we are going to drink. That's the next stop. We are going to go Yeah, but you can get drunk at the Stellenbosch wines places. We don't know.
Filter in your channel.
Bring in. Oh, it's interesting was how the cyclists cycle here when it is so steep, and they're just not scared of anything. Like literally, they cycle up the top of the mountain like it's nothing. Look how steep it is. So we have met some cute friends over there. Not sure if you can see them, but hey, where are the sheep now? I can okay, but behind me there are some really pretty sheep. I think this is also the university's farm where the people they can just grow their stuff. I mean, agriculture students can do their thing. And the people that I'm with are a bit fun. Let me run quick so I can find them. It must be stressful to work with an influencer because must be just always filming the whole time. So we walked right about 10-ish kilometers, but I think just because we were walking a bit slow, this is the end of the trail. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. My friend is doing an amazing job here driving. We've got Bella at the back, but you can't really see her. But we are now on our way to Muza, get some cold ones, few cold ones. After a difficult hike. So
Hard work pays.
yeah, we are at Stellenbosch. What is the name of this place again?
Monty Marie.
Yeah, we are at Monty Marie to drink some nice things. I'm gonna show you guys what we're drinking when we're inside. If I get the courage to film while inside. Hey, let me tell my viewers now that I'm seeing chips. This vlogging thing is not working out. It's stressful. This is hard work. Like this is literally hard work. And on top of that is embarrassing. So it is like embarrassing hard work. It's filming. It is filming.
In the middle. Come. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
So my friends and I ended up getting a bottle of wine and some fancy slushy things to drink. Then we had some pizza and we chilled there for like 2 to 3 hours, and that was it.